Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitrisha. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Now today's video is one of my favorites. Today I'm going to share with you summer cool drinks, especially summer cool juices and milkshakes which you can create at your home within 5 minutes. Living in California is pretty much like India. Here the summer gets too hot, especially in the months of April, May and June. And so I try to follow a pattern wherein I give myself a bit of cold drinks but which are also healthy and are tasty. So before I share with you a couple of recipes, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. I recently received this product from BlendJet, and so today I'm going to share all the recipes, especially in this one because even I want to test it, and also I want to see if you guys find it useful or not. If you think that it is like a portable and quick to make, easy to wash product, then maybe you can check the product out. I'm going to share the link in my description box. So let's get started. The very first healthy milkshake which I often consume in summer is Kaju Anjeer milkshake. Now at times I even skip my lunch or dinner and just have this milkshake because it is really very healthy. And for this I have soaked 4 anjeers and around 12 cashews in the morning because anjeers are typically hard. So what you have to do is you have to soak this anjeers and cashew together in warm milk in the morning, and you can then let it cool down to the room temperature, and then you can keep it in the fridge for around 7-8 hours. Whenever you want to consume your milkshake, make sure that you always soak kaju and anjeer in warm milk so that it gets little bit soft and then it is easy to churn it and blend it. So for this, again, 10 to 12 cashews and 4 anjeers. So let's try this out in BlendJet. So I have added all my mixture in this BlendJet, and I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar to it because I like it a bit sweet. You can skip sugar if you're too conscious. Now all we have to do is just let the blender do its job. I just start it and then you're supposed to leave it. It will churn it and it will stop on its own. You don't have to worry about anything. That's it. Now I'll just show you how amazing it blends it. So it is smooth, it is almost done, and now we are going to serve this. So our Kaju Anjeer milkshake is ready. It is healthy. Of course you can skip sugar, but I like it that way and so I've added sugar in it. You can try it out. So for the second shake, I'm going to make an avocado milkshake, which is very easy. I have chopped 1 avocado over here and I'm going to add milk to it and also sugar. Again, I cannot do without sugar, so I'm going to add sugar to it. It is very easy, it is healthy, and also it is so creamy. I just love eating or drinking avocado in this particular way. They have also given measurements over here, so you can add the way you want to. I like it bit creamy, so I'm going to add less milk, or let's see. So I have almost added 300 ml of milk and 2 to 3 spoons of sugar, which you can avoid, but I'm not going to avoid it because avocado generally do not have much taste to it, so I like it in a sweeter way. Now again, let's let the BlendJet do its job. So that's it, it's done. I told you, right, it is literally less than 5 minutes, and I'm also going to show you how creamy it looks. I really love having avocado milkshake, especially in summers. I'll keep this in fridge for around 30 minutes, not more than it, because then it will become extra thick. So yeah, this is about our second milkshake, which you can create in less than 5 minutes. It is ready. You can have a look, you can try it out, and also you can let me know if you like this milkshake. And also if you want to, again I'll say that if you want to check this product out, I'm going to leave it in my description box so that you can check out the link, and also you'll get some discount if you buy it through that link. Our avocado milkshake is ready, summer cool milkshake is ready, and we are going to serve it. I have chilled it for 30 minutes and it is amazing now. The third juice, I'm going to make a very natural fruit juice. It is also called as cocktail in India. I'm just going to try making it. So for that, we'll be using pineapples, we'll be using black grapes, we'll be using strawberries, a pinch of chaat masala, and some mint leaves. So first I'll add pineapples to my blend jet. I've roughly added 5 chunks of pineapples, and if the grapes are sweet, make sure to use it more, because at times the pineapples are a bit sour, so it's better to have natural sweetness from grapes. And 2 strawberries, I'll have to chop it off. I'm going to avoid using sugar in this, so let's see how it goes. And a bit of water to it, like I'm going to add very little water. That's it. And also I'm going to add some mint leaves, and I'm also going to keep some mint leaves aside for garnishing it at the end. Just adding 5 mint leaves and a pinch of chaat masala, which you can avoid if you don't want it, but I like it this way, and so I'm going to add it. Now we will let the blender do its work. It's done and it's ready. Look how beautiful the color is. I remember this color especially back in India. The local fruit juice stalls, they have this cocktail and they have this similar color. Now I'm going to pour it in my glass, and there are still some chunks of strawberries, so I'm just going to blend it once again. It is because I had a lot of quantity in it, so I'm just going to blend it again. Also, if you like it like very cold, then you can add ice to it. Blender does blend the ice very properly. So that's my cocktail juice ready to serve. I'm going to just add some mint leaves on the top. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Try it out and let me know if you like it or not. Last one is my favorite and is called fennel seeds juice, which is also known as Varyalinu Sharbat in Gujarati. I personally love having this for a couple of reasons. First of all, fennel seed is very good if your body is prone to acidity. So at times when I have back-to-back green chilies in my food, then I make sure to have fennel seeds after that. I mean, especially in this form, like the fennel seeds juice form. And also we'll be adding rock sugar in it, which is this one, which is like not the normal sugar. This rock sugar has many Ayurvedic or medicinal benefits, and it is also known as the source of energy. Although this is as sweet as the normal sugar, but I have read a couple of times that rock sugar should be added in Varyalinu Sharbat and not the normal sugar. So for this, we will need some fennel seeds. I have grounded my fennel seeds in the powder form. You can also have it in the original form, but I generally have this stored in my fridge because I consume fennel seeds juice quite often. And we will need some rock sugar. This can be added as much as you want. Like I like it sweet, so I'll be adding it more. Some water, of course, and we are going to again try this out in BlendJet. Now you can also add lemon drops in this if you want it a little bit tangy. So now for this I'll be adding 2 spoons of grounded fennel, meaning Variolino powder. You can add as much as you want. Also I'm going to add some rock sugar to it. You should Google it out, like the benefits of rock sugar. I have read a couple of times that it is very good. Now we are going to add water to it. How beautiful the color gets, right? This is very simple. You can try adding lemon seeds in this, lemon juice in this if you want. So I'm just adding 3 ingredients in it. You can also add lemon juice to it if you want it in that way. Now we'll let the BlendJet do its job and we'll wait for that time. So that's it. It is done. And it is ready. Again, I love this green color, which is pretty beautiful. So that's it. Our fennel seeds juice Variolino Sharbat is ready. You can also add cumin to it. You can also add lemon drops to it. You can just create your own flavor. But there are many good benefits of having this, especially in summer. This acts as a cooling agent for our body. Also, if you have a lot of spicy food back to back, then you must consume this because it will help to reduce the acidity. And also I've read that fennel seeds do help in weight loss. You can also try just adding fennel seeds to your regular water, like while you consume your water from your bottle every single day while you're working or doing anything else. Make sure to add some fennel seeds to it, and that way also you'll get that little sweetness of fennel seeds, and this will also help you in reducing your acidity, or if you want to lose your weight, then it will also help you in that. So yeah, this was my quick video for you guys to make sure that this summer you have some healthy and good juices at home. And once again, if you wish to buy this BlendJet, then please make sure that you check out in the description. I'm going to drop a link over there. And also I think this the BlendJet is being shipped worldwide, so you may check the product out. I am using it every day. Also I'm making my buttermilk every day in this. It is a very good product, and the best thing about it is like you just have to add liquid soap to it and then start the blender again, add some water, start the blender again, and it will wash it on your own. Pretty good and pretty easy, right? So yeah, check the product out. In my description you'll get a discount if you buy through that link. And that's it, you guys. This was my recipe video for you guys to make sure that this summer you remain cool and calm and you have some good summery drinks. I hope it was useful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon. And if you happen to try out any of these recipes, please make sure that you let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear your feedback. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay cool this summer. Thank you once again.